Curious about the top programming languages to learn in 2024? Hang tight as we're about to dive into a countdown of the 5 most sought-after programming languages of the upcoming year. Coming in at number 5 is the classic evergreen Java. Java, a statically typed, class-based language, has been a cornerstone in the industry for over 2 decades. Its write once, run anywhere principle ensures compatibility across platforms, making it a top choice for enterprise-scale applications. Its popularity in the job market and its role in Android app development are reasons enough to get your hands dirty with Java. Sliding into number 4, we have JavaScript. Don't let the name fool you. It's not a derivative of Java. JavaScript, a high-level, interpreted language, is the lingua franca of the web. It's the magic that turns static web pages into interactive, dynamic experiences. With the rise of Node.js, JavaScript has also made a significant leap into server-side programming. If web development catches your fancy, JavaScript is your ticket in. Securing the 3rd spot, we have Python. Python is the go-to language for beginners and experts alike, thanks to its simplicity and readability. It's a versatile language that shines in various fields, from web development to data science to machine learning. Python's vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks like Django, Flask, and TensorFlow makes it an all-rounder in the programming world. Stepping up to number 2, we have Rust. Rust is a systems programming language that promises memory safety without garbage collection. It's designed to provide better control over system resources and to eliminate common programming errors like null pointer dereferencing. Rust has been voted the most loved language by Stack Overflow's developer survey for 4 years running. If system-level programming is your calling, Rust is a language you cannot ignore. And now drumroll, please. Claiming the number 1 spot for 2024 is none other than Kotlin. Kotlin is a statically typed cross-platform language that is fully interoperable with Java. It's the preferred language for Android app development, as declared by Google. Its concise syntax and safety features make it a joy to work with. If you're interested in mobile app development, Kotlin should be at the top of your list. And there you have it, the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to expand your toolkit or a newbie just starting your coding journey, these languages offer a wealth of opportunities. Remember, the best programming language is the one that suits your goals and projects. So pick one from the list and start coding away.